How to create community on Reddit app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a community or group on Reddit in fast and easy way. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit, and this is the homepage of Reddit. Now we go to the top, click on your avatar, and now click on create a community. Now choose a name like how to media. Let's just, for example, how to media 11, and choose to make it public or restricted or private. I will make it public. If it is plus 18, you should enable it. If it is normal, disable it. And now click create community. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.